Hi everyone and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. Today we will talk about something insane. So I know many of you out there eagerly waiting for the USB-C coming to the iPhones as well. So we finally only have one cable to use to charge our devices, to connect it to our MacBook and so on. There's one video on YouTube where Kenny Pie, and he was annoyed. He really went into detail here, actually constructed it for himself. Now the fun part, okay? He made it an open source project inside GitHub, but the thing is he also sells his iPhone with USB-C on eBay. And now check this out. Here it is. That's the eBay. There's no fake, guys. $100,100. It's right now, Thursday, November 25th. The auction will end. So isn't this insane? $100,100 and probably even more once this auction finishes. I'm not sure how happy Apple is about this, that he is selling a customized iPhone. So it's not taken down yet. I don't know how genuine this then is. However, with his video, he shows that this iPhone actually works as intended. And it seems a lot of people are really wanting this USB-C to use. However, he states in his description that you will not restore, update or erase this iPhone. You will not use it as your daily phone. You will not open it. I guarantee that the phone will work when you receive it, but if you don't follow the aforementioned guidelines, you are on your own. So basically you can do whatever you want with it, but don't expect anything from me if you break something. It is just a prototype. So guys, what are your thoughts? Would you pay $100,000 for iPhone? Let's just make a quick calculation. The new iPhone 13 Pro costs $999. So you would get around 100 of these iPhones for the same price as you would get for this one USB-C iPhone. But Apple, now you see how people really want to have this to happen. And I know at some point you will sell this as a new great feature. I will put the links to the video he made there, but also to the bidding as long as it's running, down in the description below. If you like this video and you didn't know about this, make sure you share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next news out of the digital world. And I'll catch you up next time.